haven't even got in my freaking waiter.
Hey, you!
What?
Shut up! No! Bad Hound Doom!
Well, I haven't gotten a waiter yet.
Fine, what do you want?
What's on the menu?
I don't...
Go check your kitchen, you stupid. Or else I'll use leaf blade on you.
You can have a Lunchable!
What kinds?
We got the chicken nuggets, we got the pizza, we got the nachos.
Give me the nachos.
It'll be $10. $10. Fine, you can have it for free.
No, Mason, we need... Go get the Poké Dollars. Go get the Poké Dollars.
It's pizza!
Give me nachos. Nachos, please.
I lied, we don't have the nachos.
Do you have pizza?
We have pizza.
Do you have chicken nuggets?
We have chicken nuggets.
I would like the chicken nuggets, please.
They come with Oreos. They're chocolate flavored.
Should I get the Oreos? Should I get them?
I think you're getting the Oreos.
Oh, pizza!
Yeah. You'll get your nuggets. Fine, you want nuggets or pizza?
Both.
Fine. Now you can only get one.
Fine. My main course will be...
There's like 5 pizzas in here.
My main course will be the pizza, and then my side will be the chicken nuggets.
Wow, you're a pig, aren't you?
Well, I haven't ate. It says 4 o'clock in the morning. No! Don't attack me, you dog. Go away. I'm gonna come check out how you cook these things.
Super not opposable thumbs! Listen,
Leaf blade.
you're just making it worse. You're gonna destroy the food. Yeah, screw it. Yeah, come on.
Scratch.
You don't know. I don't think you can learn Scratch. I think you know Pound. Yeah. Give me a plate. Oh, yeah.
Use pound.
Oh, we're gonna have some cooking. And no, you can have it. I'm gonna feed you cold. I'm gonna feed you cold food.
I like the pizza sauce.
I know you do. Give me that!
No, give me it. Oh, give me it.
Remember to watch the time.
Okay. I hope he doesn't know that I stole this.
I stole the ingredients. I guess we can just have a soft pizza.
I'm gonna go bring him back. There you go.
Oh, yes. You're dirty, aren't you?
Mason, put sauce on the other ones.
Yes.
Put sauce on the other ones now!
Who's the chef here, you little...
Lose leaf blade.
I'm going to eat you next.
Would you flamethrower? I dare you.
Come on. Just like my mentors taught me.
Wait, you had a mentor for cooking?
Shut up.
You have to use Charmander, Mason.
Shut up.
Use him. So, how long have you been a chef?
Shut up. I told you to shut up. Oh, we need the spoon.
Banana?
You want banana on the pizza?
Hold on, I'll be right back. What do I want? Drink.
Give me a cup.
I'll get you a cup. I hate this non-posable thumbs. There you go. I gave you the cup. How long have you been a chef anyway, Charmander?
It's my first day.
It's your first day?
Yes.
Well, you better be do good or else I'm going to shut down your store.
You have no authority over me.
Yes, I do.
Prove it.
Man,
Bon appetit!
it's not cooked.
I have to cook it?
Yes, you have to cook it.
Where's the...
Go toaster oven it.
There are the instructions. the kitchen!
Sorry.
No side bets!
Confusion.
That's for you.
Use pound.
Okay, give me the camera. Give Charmander the camera. We're gonna let you go, guys.
It's only 5 minutes. It's only been 5 minutes.
And after perfectly 5 minutes, human. Evie, say bye.
Bye.
Evie.
Chess, princess. Your store sucks. This is Trico. Your store sucks.
Do not make me cook you in the oven.
Try me, bitch.
Remember to like and subscribe. And no swearing, kids.
Okay. Yeah, no swearing's bad for you. Bye.